For Youth is a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and we directly integrate science and engineering and nature along with art.
They have, as you can see, this beautiful garden behind us, so just introducing them to the world around them, making them feel okay with touching things, being able to grow things. Today we made flower bombs, so we use native seeds, local flowers, wildflowers, and clay and soil, and the kids were able to create flower bombs that they will take home with them, wait for them to dry out, and we'll be able to spread the joy of flowers and native flowers at that around Delaware.
This is actually part of a larger project. We call it the Urban Sense Project. During COVID, all of our programming was virtual, and we were doing a lot of nature programming with our kids, but realized that our kids, when we asked them to look out the window, they were looking at the concrete before the tree. So we were trying to come up with ideas and ways that we could then reprogram their brains. And we decided to build what we call a wildlife sensory garden. So all the plants you see in here have different textures, smells, scents, feels. They all look different as a way for kids to interact with nature, start to recognize nature in their environment, but then also feel comfortable in nature and want them to explore.
I think it's really important that we being UD students, get out into the community. It's really easy to just kind of get sucked into the world that is UD because we do have such a fun campus and there's so many things going on campus. But going out into the wider community, whether that be Newark, Glasgow, Wilmington, there are so many people who would love to know what you know, and so many little people that you can share that information with.